What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. In this video I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A80, which is kind of a unique device from the Samsung because of the rotating camera it is providing. The main highlight feature of this phone is the rotating camera, which pop up and gives us the same image quality on the back as well as on the front side. Moving on the back side of the box, we see some main highlights are written on the back side. The first thing is the 6.7-inch new Infinity display screen, as it has no camera on the front side, while the second thing is the triple lens rotating camera. Along with that, we have a fast charging facility in Galaxy A80. It comes with an octa-core processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of memory, which can perform daily tasks easily. Now let's open the box and see what we got inside the box. So here are the two boxes, each has something inside it. So let's take the second box away and look at the first box. So the first thing which we have find, there is a card which will provide instruction for how we can use the protective case. So here is the device itself, and wow man, what a device. It is so nice in hand and premium looking. While on the back side, the device is made up of polycarbonate and it has 3 camera mounted on the top, while on the front side it has a 6.7-inch new Infinity HD Plus Super AMOLED resolution. Now let's take aside the device and see what we have inside the box. So the first thing which we have noticed, the inside the box we have a Type-C to Type-C cable available inside the box, and it is a nice thing for the charging as well as for the data transfer, because Type-C provide a fast data transfer inside the devices. The other thing we have is a 25-watt of fast charger inside the box, which connect with a Type-C cable, and it has a Type-C port as well on the back side of the charger. It is which is a nice thing, because Samsung Galaxy S10 is coming with an 18-watt of fast charging, though 25-watt of fast charging will provide a nice, decent and fast charging. So the next thing we have got the Samsung headphones. These are standard looking headphones which are coming inside the Galaxy A80, not like the Samsung Galaxy S10 which provided AKG headphones. And these are the headphones which are also Type-C, so you can sense from this that the headphone jack has been removed from the Samsung Galaxy A80. And now let's put aside these devices, look at the next box and see what we got inside that box as well. By looking at the box, the first thing we have seen is that we have provided a SIM ejector tool inside the box, and let's open the box itself and see what we got inside the box of Galaxy A80. First thing, Samsung is providing a case for the Samsung Galaxy A80 inside the box, which has a nice design and build quality is great, and it has provided a cut button on the upper side just for the rotating camera. Now the other things which are coming alongside with the box are some quick start guides for the phone, as we already know how we can use the phone. I believe we didn't need this quick start guide. Now let's put aside these things and look at the device itself. Just turning on the device, first thing we have seen the branding of the Samsung and the written Samsung Galaxy A80, and moving on to the back side of the device, we have seen that there are 3 cameras mounted on the device, and these are 48 megapixel of main camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and a 3D depth sensor camera as well for the nice bokeh. While on the right side of the phone we have a volume rocker and a power button, and there is a small gap between camera rotation and a body. While on the right side we have a volume rocker and a power button, and there is a small gap between camera rotation and a body. So on the bottom we have speaker grill, a noise cancellation, a microphone, Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and a SIM tray. Side we have seen nothing. Samsung has removed the dedicated Bixby button, which is a nice thing from Samsung, because personally I don't use Bixby button most often, so it's a nice thing. So the software which is running is Android 9 Pie, and it is based on Samsung One UI, as One UI is the best implementation by Samsung, so we can easily use and interact the device. It is implemented in such a nice way that we can use the device with a single hand. So as we know that Samsung Galaxy A80 comes along with the in-display fingerprint scanner, so I have set up the fingerprint scanner already, and let's check whether it is fast or not. On the first try it has unlocked the phone. Let's see. Let's do the second try, whether it unlocked the phone faster or not, and it has unlocked the phone on the second time as well. Now one thing I have noticed, the unlocking speed of fingerprint scanner is a little bit on a slow side. It may take a delay of 1 to 2 seconds. But anyhow, let's look at the camera. It provides high quality images and the video, because its selfie camera is similar to the back camera. See some image, you can see some live bokeh in the background, and look at the result of the selfie camera in which I am standing and recording this video. By looking at the screen, it has a full HD plus resolution, and it is almost bezel-less. It has a great video quality. Look at the video quality in Galaxy A80, which is running on Galaxy A80 screen, and because of its bezel-less design it looks awesome. Let's look at the SIM tray. What we have got, we have 2 SIM inside Galaxy A80, making it a dual SIM phone, and we have no SD card slot, which is a disappointment. But having said that, it has a 128 gigs of storage, and I believe that it will be enough. Talking about the battery, since it has a full HD plus Super AMOLED resolution and an infinity resolution, so it requires a high-end battery. So the battery inside Samsung Galaxy A80 is 3700 mAh, and it can last for a whole day of standard use. So overall, it is a nice device, a power pack, a device which has all the features and gradients like a high-end device, and overall it looks great. A new design, a new camera setup, and most probably it will be a nice device. So if you are in Dubai and wanted to buy this device, you can buy this from Arman Jalan Trading, who are the sponsor of this video, as they provide best rates in UAE. I've provided their numbers in the description. You can check that as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and peace out.